Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amica secure messaging on MyAmica, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Amica secure messaging on MyAmica, first, open your web browser. Type in the MyAmica website URL and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. Enter your username and password in the spaces provided. If you don't have an account, click on Create Account and follow the prompts to register. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Account Settings option, usually found in the menu. Click on Account Settings to access your account features. In the Settings menu, locate the Secure Messaging section. Click on the Secure Messaging option. You will see an option to activate secure messaging. Select the activation option to proceed. Review the terms and conditions presented, ensuring you understand the privacy policy. Once you've reviewed everything, check the box indicating your agreement. Click on the Activate button to enable secure messaging. You should see a confirmation message indicating that secure messaging is now active. Return to the dashboard to check if the secure messaging feature is available. To send a secure message, click on the Messages tab. Choose New Message to initiate a communication. Compose your message and select the recipient from your contacts. Once you're satisfied with your message, click Send. You have now successfully activated and utilized secure messaging on MyAmica. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.